how to make additional 300 to 500 US dollars per day in 2025 with TikTok e-commerce affiliate marketing. Now, in this video, this is not about traditional e-commerce like Amazon or eBay or Shopify stores where you have to invest tons of money, have your own products, and then have inventory, supply, logistics, and stuff like that. No, this is not drop shipping, Amazon as well. This is about affiliate marketing. Basically, you are promoting other people's product for high commissions, like 85 to 95% affiliate commissions, like for example on ClickBank with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show exactly how this is done and how easy this is once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step. So as you can see, I had over 1.3 million video views over here, and then 144,000 likes and 17,000 comments, and then over here 2,000 shares. Now why I'm showing you this? The reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to understand exactly how this works in 2025. You see, it's all about positive engagement. Why? Because once you have positive engagement, the buyer's intent is already there. It's very important with promoting other people's products. Like for ClickBank, for example, right? You can go there and do you think that I can get at least 100 sales, 200, 300 sales fast if you have 1.3 million views? Now you don't have to do it yourself. When you run TikTok ads, you can spend as low as 5 to 15 US dollars per day and get really great results, as I'm going to show you later. But in 2025, it's all about native advertising, right? Like UGC videos. Now again, you don't have to do those videos yourself. You can create faceless channels, faceless profile, okay, and run the account yourself, promoting ClickBank products, like weight loss products, manifestation products. Later, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, as you can see over here, right? Where I always showcasing you what is possible once you take affiliate marketing with TikTok or Google Ads really seriously, right? To start having really great results. Now let me go straight into it here so you can understand how this works in 2025. You can see over here, right? Everyone around you is focused, it's on their cell phones, iPhones. So it's all about buyer's intent. People usually don't go on Facebook to buy products, even though you're running ads as well. But on TikTok, buyer behavior is different. As you can see, Gary Vaynerchuk here said that live social shopping trends for 2025, right? It's going to be on TikTok. You can see over here as well. You can go and Google it by yourself. So you see, it's big opportunity in 2025 because it's TikTok. It's Wild West right now. You can almost say many different things that you cannot say on YouTube or Facebook ads because, as you know, you can get shut down by those platforms. And let's say how quickly you can make money. Let's say if you have only one sale on ClickBank for weight loss products for 150 US dollars and daily income is $150, you're making 4,500 profit per month. If you have only 3 sales per day, you're making 13,500 US dollars. You see how simple it is once you have someone who can help you one-on-one along the way, hand-holding you to actually have sustainable income working from home in 2025. Why this is important? Because as you see, 92% of TikTok users, they say that they discovered new products on the app itself, which is really amazing, right? It tells you that there is the buyer behavior. Buyer's intent is already there. It's low-hanging fruit waiting for you, right? So the old way was this. The old way was you choosing an offer with me, with us here. We help you to get highly profitable product done for you together with you on ClickBank to show you which one converts really well. Then get you a quiz funnel, basically a quiz landing page, which is functional with functional questions because we have low emotional states and high emotional states audience, male, female segmenting. So copywriting is also important if you want to make a lot of money fast, right? And then we run functional ads to make it profitable and scale, right? And this is how it works basically, right? So over here you can see how quickly you can profit if you're spending, let's say, even just $50 per day. And at 5% conversion rate, 2 sales, 50 clicks, that's 250 US dollars profit per day, right? So see how you can actually make money once you have someone to help you one-on-one. because that's important. Most courses, they are watered down version of something else. But if you really want a deep, not just deep psychology of marketing, but also done for you together, to fast forward you, to get to really quickly results. Okay, so you don't have to watch or waste 8 weeks of your life watching some stupid videos, which are later found out to be outdated courses from 2024 or 2023. Okay, so if you really want to get results with e-commerce, affiliate marketing, using ClickBank and TikTok, let me know after watching this video. Connect with me. I have my WhatsApp number, I have my email, Facebook Messenger, and also my Instagram, where you can reach out to me now. If you're really serious, if you have some money to invest in yourself and actually want to get results right now in 2025.